Salvete omnes. In this video, we're going to go over on how to decline a second declension neuter word. The steps are very similar, although we find the base slightly differently, and we have a slightly different set of endings than we do with first declension or second declension masculine. As always, we start off by setting up our chart, and for this example, we're going to do the word for town. The word for town is oppidum oppidi, and then our next step is we drop and stop the first form. We don't add anything. We don't take anything away. Secondly, we find our base. We find our base the same as the other declensions. We go to the second form, chop off the ending. In second declension, the ending is an I, pronounced E, so we chop that off, E. What's left is our base, oppid. We then take our base and fill out the rest of our chart. And after we do that, we add our endings. Now, the endings are slightly different, and we have to remember the neuter rule. According to the neuter rule, all nouns in the neuter gender have the same ending in the nominative and the accusative case. So those endings are eo, and o, eo, and o. Second declension neuter, nominative, accusative the same. Aordam is, ais, aordam is, ais. Second declension neuter, nominative, accusative the same. And this shows us our second declension neuter rule. Actually, it's the neuter rule period. It works for all declensions. According to the neuter rule, all nouns in the neuter gender have the same ending in the nominative and the accusative case. So if you are declining a nominative word and your nominative and accusative are not the same, then you've done it wrong. At least one of them is wrong, potentially both. A very common mistake is people will do the singular fine, and then over here the plural, they slip over into masculine and they put long I and OS there. Don't do that. Remember, short A for nominative and accusative. And that, folks, is how you decline a second declension neuter word. Hope that helps. We'll see you soon. Wale.